Master Shape Keys is a collection of tools for using shape keys, as well as a system of folders to make managing things all the easier. It can separate shape keys dependent on their vertex groups and can merge or group them together, making things easier to manage or build upon. So go ahead and separate both sides of a character's lips, eyebrows, cheekbones, and anything else for further expression and control. Or move one shape key to trigger another shape key in sync. Welcome to this tutorial on the Master Shape Keys and Shape Key Collections plugins in Blender. Shape keys are a powerful tool in Blender that allows you to deform an object by manipulating its vertices. The Shape Key Collections makes it easy to organize and manage your shape keys, while Master Shape Keys includes collections, as well as a number of other useful features to help you work with shape keys more efficiently. Shape Key Collections gives you the ability to create a folder structure for your shape keys. This allows you to organize your shape keys into groups and subgroups, making it easier to find and manage your shape keys. To create a folder, simply click the Create Folder button in the Shape Key panel. You can then rename the folder and add shape keys or other folders to it. You can also use the Toggle button to close and open the folder, which shows or hides that folder's contents. If a shape key is within a folder, it keeps itself tidy by staying within that folder. Moving a folder moves all the children with it. Deleting an open folder will change the folder of all that folder's children, while deleting a closed folder will delete the folder and everything inside of it. The name and order of shape keys are preserved upon exporting. So when importing your model to Unreal, for example, your hierarchy is preserved, even if the folders themselves do not export. The rest of the features that follow are in regards to Master Shape Keys only, although Master Shape Keys does include Shape Keys Collections. The Sync Key feature allows you to link a shape key in one object to a shape key in another. This is useful if you want to create an animation where multiple objects move together in a coordinated way, such as eyebrows or glasses that are not part of the base model. To use the Sync Key feature, first select the object that you want to link to another object. Then in the Shape Key panel, select the Sync Key option and choose the target object and a shape key that belongs to that object that you want this shape key to link to. This will then create a sync key that will automatically update the linked shape key whenever the original shape key is changed. The Vertex Group Key feature allows you to create shape keys that are based on the vertices of a specific vertex group. To use this feature, simply create a vertex group and name it with the prefix skm_ in uppercase. This will make it appear in the Vertex Group Keys list in the Shape Keys panel. You can then enable or disable a reference to each vertex group for each shape key. When you are ready, click the Generate button and a shape key will be made targeted to each of the vertex groups that are enabled for every shape key that you have set a vertex group to work for. If you select exactly 2 vertex groups, something different happens. Rather than generate 2 new shape keys, it adds the 2 vertex groups to the existing shape key by adding 2 various sliders in the UI instead of just 1, each representing one of the vertex group keys. This is intended specifically for a left half and right half setup, such as the left and right half of a face. This is a quick and easy way to create shape keys for specific parts of an object and allows you to update your changes easily, since you can just change the base shape key and generate again, and the vertex key versions will also be updated. The Combine Keys feature allows you to mix together multiple shape keys to create a new one. To use this, simply start the function here and then change the sliders for each of the shape keys you want to combine and click the Generate button when you have a result you're happy with. This will create a new shape key to the name that you assigned above. The range of the shape keys can be adjusted by this slider here before you start the process, giving you the ability to make your shape keys more extreme if that's what you require. The Merge Keys feature allows you to put shape keys together in a sequence, meaning that they trigger one after the other. To use this feature, click the Add button to create a new merge key and click the Lock button to show the extra settings. These settings are hidden by default, so your workspace isn't cluttered when you're done setting them up. In the Merge Key list, add references to the specific shape keys that you want to include in the sequence. You can also set up sync keys here as well. When you are ready, click the Generate button to generate these merge keys. You can also enable additive mode, which allows you to add each shape key in the sequence to the previous one, rather than replacing each one with the next. With these tools, you'll be able to organize your shape keys into folders and subfolders for easy management. Use sync keys to link shape keys in different objects and create coordinated animations. Create shape keys based on specific vertex groups using the vertex group key feature. Mix together multiple shape keys with combine keys and create sequences of shape keys with merge keys. For with this plugin, our woes doth flee. Shape keys now, as easy as can be, a must-have for all creators to ease their troubles and their labors.